What's up, you guys? Kaylene here, and welcome back to Kaylene's Corner. Today, I am going on a trip to Big Bend with Hunter and a group of friends of ours. So, I figured I'd vlog the trip because I want to remember it forever. And yeah, that's what you're about to see. It's 2 a.m. on December 31st, and we are about to head out on a 10-hour drive to Big Bend and go see some cool stuff. Also, the weather is supposed to be horrendous right now. There's like a snow warning where we're headed, so that should be exciting. So I hope you enjoy whatever this video turns out to be. Hey guys. Hey. Just peed. This is Grace and my cousin. You remember her from the Colorado vlog. Colorado. Okay, so here's Hunter. We just got some breakfast from Sonic, and Sarah, who you will see later, she had to go into H-E-B to get some bread, and so we're about 3 hours in, and we still have 6 more. So, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling tired. I slept for 1 hour.
So, it's going really well. Okay, everyone, we are currently, I don't know if you can see out the window, but it's snowing.
Oh, they're right behind us still.
And the traffic is backed up and we're stuck in the snow. And that person is not in a lane.
Somebody just...
No,
they're
I saw that.
on the...
People are acting
actually,
ridiculous.
wait.
We can't even see where the road is.
I don't want to go play just in case we have to go.
That Jeep said for you.
Well, they're Jeeps.
It's possible.
So here's the current situation. All of the traffic is backed up on the highway and we can't get anywhere. It's still snowing, and the snow is up to probably 3 or 4, 5 inches.
No, it's at least a foot. I don't know.
Oh, it's at least a foot. So we're just sitting on the highway, and I'm about to pee my pants. So me, Sarah, and Grace are all going to pee on the highway. So that's how this trip is going. Hey everyone, so this is our pee bag. I'm sorry that you had to see this. So we did it. Grace, Sarah, and we peed on the highway, and it was a lot, and now we can say that we peed on the highway. And now we're slightly moving, kinda, sorta. We met a guy named Larry from Florida, who's a truck driver, retired military man, and he was just precious and loves the Lord, so yeah. Line's moving a tiny little bit. We're honestly just hoping to get to the next town so that we can just find a campsite there and just stay there tonight and worry about Big Bend tomorrow. So this is the current situation we're in. These are all 18-wheelers backed up so far, and here's the camper, and we're having to turn around, go all the way back the way that we came. So we finally headed towards the town, and it's all backed up. So, this is where we are.
Just a tad more. But
Yeah.
straight your tire.
That's deep. Hey Grace, how do you feel? It's cold. My fingers are literally numb. Cold.
But honestly, it's really pretty. Turn around, show them the...
Do we need a No, it's really pretty.
It's like a winter wonderland. pulled the muscle in my upper thigh. I was so scared. I threw my right up in the air. Oh, Kaylene, this time for real. Take it from my hands, 'cause I can't do this on my own.
Sure. Just gonna move this.
Save the guy's life.
Those are more done. I'm gonna take these off.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Good morning. We snuggled in bed, and so we woke up this morning and it was 19 degrees, and the heater was broken. We finally figured out how to turn the heater back on, but the door is frozen shut, so we can't get out. And then Trace just tried to come and unlock it from the outside and broke the key off in the lock. So we're stuck and we have to pee. Okay, we made it out and we're heading to the bathroom to pee. Finally. There's trucks everywhere. We have to wait for them to leave before we can leave. And the truck, whoa, is out of gas. Well, almost out of gas. So we have to let Trace go to the gas station and get us gas so that we can actually go somewhere. Okay. We're skating back. Whoa. Okay, so here's the situation.
3
All those
3s, 4 4s,
18-wheelers.
and 2 5s.
Oh man.
All those 18-wheelers that are in front of us, their brakes are frozen, and we
We're
can't
playing
leave.
cards and stuff.
Yeah, we're filling the time because we can't leave until those trucks leave. So we're kind of just sitting here, and this is the situation. Say hi.
Hola.
So yeah, how are you feeling? How do you think this trip is going?
It's an adventure.
Yes.
Spectacular.
David, what about you? How do you feel?
Oh, I think it's a spectacular adventure.
Yeah.
It's one of the most fun trips I've been on in a long time.
Yeah, for sure. Memories are being made.
Memories.
The key that broke off inside of the lock that we got out, but it's broken, so it's a good thing we have two.
Ready to go. What did I do?
One shot. One shot. You won't be able to help me. One shot, Grace.
Okay, update. Cooking some breakfast for lunch at like, I think it's like 5 o'clock. 4 or 5 o'clock. We're cooking some breakfast because we haven't eaten all day. And we are parked on the side of the road. And they're making sandwiches in there. And we're just living life right now. So basically, Grace and Sarah and Trace and David are all going home tonight. We never did make it to Big Bend. But Hunter and I are both staying because Hunter's friend Colton and his fiance Ashley are coming up. So they will be up here, and then we will actually make it to Big Bend, and we will go hike and do fun things. So yeah. Okay, hi everyone. I know it's dark, you can hardly see me, but that's fine. Everyone has left. Hunter and I just arrived at our campsite for the night. We're staying in Fort Stockton tonight, and then we will drive up to Big Bend in the morning and get all set up there. So Hunter is currently walking around the RV park looking for our parking spot number, I guess. I don't know. So we're gonna get set up here for the night and then drive in the morning. are awake and up and moving. We are leaving our campsite in Fort Stockton, and we're gonna go get some lunch somewhere, and then we will head towards Big Bend. Yay! Babe, how do you feel?
I feel awesome. This is so cool.
Okay, we've officially made it to our campsite. That's our little fire pit. And here's a casita, and we're gonna set it up now. And Colton and Ashley are on their way. They'll be here in a few hours. So we have some time to kill to set up the casita and explore a little bit. So that's what we're gonna do.
So update, while we're at the campsite, I said that she wanted to try to wash her hair. So I've just been standing here, rinsing it. We started with a pot. She just stuck her head in there pretty much. And she's made me help her wash her hair.
Yeah, we're really roughing it out here, so. Here's a cactus.
Cookie.
And here's a big something. And Hunter came into the camper and called me a lazy bum and said that we had to go hike. So that's what we're doing before the sun goes down. And Hunter cannot stop himself from climbing on top of anything, so that's where he is. There's our little campsite.
Chef Kaylene. Welcome to Kaylene's kitchen.
Oh, I'm trying. Smoke is all up in my eyes.
It's okay.
You?
You gonna flip them?
I'm gonna try.
Do you want me to do it? I'll do it. It's not a problem. Flip it. It's fine.
It's very aggressive.
Come on. Flip it.
Turn it down.
There, it's on low now.
No, I'm going to catch on fire.
Let me do it.
Okay, stop filming. Hey everyone.
Hello.
Where are we?
We're in Big Bend National Park. I forget which visitor center this is. Oh,
We're at a visitor center. And we're finally at Big Bend.
Yeah.
Yay! Oh, by the way, it's the next day. There's still snow on the ground, and we're gonna go hike. So excited.
Probably one. The window probably. Yeah, so that's the way to the window. And if you want to go there, it's probably beautiful.
Yeah,
And you could time lapse or half up.
Alrighty. We're having lunch, and this is our view.
Go up.
It's pretty nice.
You got it? Yeah.
Ta-da! So we just came out of that rock, and I walked down here to try and find Hunter, and he has gone all the way up here. He tried to fit in there. Well, Hunter's in a hole. He's in a hole. Look, we started all the way down at the bottom, and now we're up here. It's insane. Okay, we're up in the mountains, and we started way down there where that started way down there.
You'll like this view.
This is really hard.
Yeah. I like this one too, man.
I got a stick. Hunter somehow got himself all the way over there. And this is where we are.
Did you drop it in the lake?
I dropped it on a bunch of little rocks.
You do me.
So what I would suggest doing is coming right here.
Oh, homeboy is broken already. Yeah, we slammed the toilet on it.
Sweet.
Yes.
Very gently.
Best egg cracking I've ever seen. Oh,
Somebody gets the surprise.
oh.
Let's go.
It's fine. It's fine.
It might be gone. Someone will get it.
My hands are clean. Okay everyone, we are back from hiking and it's nighttime now. We just ate dinner. Ashley and I cooked it together, mostly Ashley, but I helped a little bit. And now we are going to make s'mores. Hello. So yay, fun times.
Mallows.
Good morning everyone. We just had breakfast. We have pancakes and hash browns and Hunter right there. And we are getting ready for the day. We are thinking about going to the Big Bend State Park today. But also we may go to the National Park again. We're thinking about doing a little bit of a shorter hike because yesterday we hiked a total of 12.9 miles, which I didn't believe that I was capable of until yesterday, and I didn't. So yeah, we're gonna go do a little bit of a shorter hike today, and I'll update you on how that goes. We're here
At the state park.
Yeah. Let's see what we see. These are the cool rocks I've found so far. That one. This one's green. This one's shiny. And this one has a fossil.
I'm ready.
Maybe this will break if I throw it in there.
I bet you won't.
That's so cool. It's cool in here. I mean, like literally cool and super cool.
Whoopsie.
It's pretty.
So we're walking down here. Hunter decided to go.
Oh my god.
Oh, there he is. Just can't resist the climb. Okay, everyone. Today was supposed to be a freaking easy day, and it was not. We were supposed to stop at like 8 miles. Feels like we've done like 40,000. My feet are about to fall off. They hurt so freaking bad. And I have to pee. So we're in the middle of nowhere. Excuse my language. I think we're getting close to the truck. But I may just have to lay down and pass away.
This round's name is Shane.
Huh?
Do it. Oh yeah.
Oh yes, sir.
Oh, I want the bird side. We can
You have to share.
Oh, it's gooey. Oh yes.
Hold on. It's probably hot.
Here, I got you, buddy.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Stop the chocolate with the angel food cake.
This might be the best thing I've ever eaten in my life. Plot twist, this is what we have if you're letting me stay.
Good morning, everyone. It is our last full day here. Terlingua, I think is the name. It's our last full day here, and we're gonna go to the national park today and actually have an easy hiking day. And then after that, we are planning on going to this little artsy store and to check it out what they have there. So that is how this day should go, and I will update you throughout the day.
It's okay. I'm fine.
You're not carrying meat!
I'm carrying a gun.
I'm scared. I'm vlogging. We're doing the last mine trail today, and we have seen several signs warning for bears and mountain lions. So can't say I feel super excited about this one. A little nervous. Just saying.
It's pretty freaking cool.
This kind of stuff kind of makes us hike. That's a pretty far drop. We're on top of a mountain. That's crazy.
Isle.
Big Isle.
So we're here. That little thing is Mexico?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure. It's behind the next ridge. So this ridge
Yes,
here,
Mexico.
U.S. El Pico, Mexico.
Yeah, I see. And the Rio splits it, right?
Uh-huh. We'll go look at the map, see what trails we can
Cute little
get
cactus.
Here.
So little.
So look at what I'm doing.
Where are we standing?
On the Rio Grande River.
Ooh. They're so short. Oh.
Man's got his feet on it.
Oh, here they come.
Oh.
There's babies. Oh, that's why it's so small. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Hi. Oh my gosh.
Me this little tree. So cute. Okay, hi, I'm back home. I have to put this in here. You need some context for what you're about to see. Okay, so the four of us decided to go to that art store that I talked about earlier. Well, it was much more than an art store. The woman we met named Alice Knight, first of all, queen. Second of all, wow, was she something else. She met us at the door and she gave us each names that were not our own names. She said things that kind of were a little offensive, and she just kind of said whatever, and she convinced Colton to do yoga with her. She sang a song to us, one about a stray dog that comes to her house/art store. And then the second song was about mayonnaise. This art store was her house. It had everything imaginable, not just art. So there's some context. She was just honestly the highlight of the trip for me. She was crazy, but in the best way. She made Hunter hold a package of hot dogs for her while she sold some art to some people. She put on her own music that she recorded whenever she was in a band back in the day, for us to listen to while we shopped. It was just an insane experience. So now you can, okay, Sorry. So we tried to go to a nice, harmless art store. And we've ended up here. And the owner of the house, I don't even have words to describe her. She just is so friendly, but a little scary. She keeps offering people weed. She called me a stripper. Very bold. Very bold. Found?
I found my personality.
Hunter agreed to buy me. This is her original artwork on a t-shirt.
That's like the virgin and the child. It's so good.
Alrighty, we just finished dinner and eating the last of that s'mores cake that Hunter made last night. And we got everything loaded up tonight so that we can go ahead and head out tomorrow towards home super early in the morning because we live super far. But yeah, tomorrow's just going to be a day of driving and cleaning up the camper because it's disgusting after this trip. So we have a huge bed made for all 4 of us to snuggle tonight. And yeah, we're gonna go to bed, wake up super early, and get home. Okay, everybody, we're heading out. We spent our last night in Terlingua last night, and woke up this morning at like 6:30, and it's like 7:30 now, and we have everything packed up. And we are on our way home. How do you feel about... Oh, don't look at Hunter's hair. How do you feel about the trip?
I know, it was really fun. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, I agree. It was awesome. Okay, everyone, we've officially made it back home. Yay. I'm back with my pup. Please excuse my appearance. I haven't showered in 2 days, okay? Leave me alone. Oh my hair is literally disgusting, but yeah, we made it back home. With all the stops we made, it took us 12 hours to get back home, but we made it back to Hunter's parents' house to unload and unhitch everything, and we are back at his house and so tired. But I think it was an amazing experience overall. I'm really, really glad that we went, and I am also really happy to be home with a shower and a toilet that I'm not afraid to sit on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I've said before, I really just make videos now for memory's sake. But if you did enjoy this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you wanna, and you can subscribe down below if you want to see more of my adventures through life. And yeah, I love you all so very much, and bye.